Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's craft with me video, I'm going to bring you along as I create these super cute leather earrings. This faux leather I got in the ribbon section at Hobby Lobby, and I'm using fisheye hooks and a pair of needle nose pliers, and I'll link all of my supplies below. One thing I like to do when I cut faux leather is attach some contact paper on the back, and that protects my mat from losing its stick from the leather. So I'll just flip my faux leather, attach it right on the back, and I'm ready to cut. If you have a newer mat and it's still sticky, you can use that, but I like to use a strong grip mat to cut the faux leather. You can find templates for these earrings in Cricut Design Space online or on Etsy. So for Cricut faux leather, you can use your normal blade, but this was a little bit thicker and I used a deep cut blade to cut the earrings. And there's a faux leather setting to cut, or I use heavy leather for this thick material. So after the cut is finished, I'll just peel away the leather and take it directly off the mat. For these earrings, I decided I wanted a little bit more of a dangle, so I added a jump ring onto the fish hook, and I open it up with my needle nose pliers, and then I'll just slide on the earring onto the jump ring and use the pliers to close them up. So that's it, you guys. Leather earrings are super easy to make. They're beautiful and they're a great gift to give. So thanks guys for watching. Like the video if it was helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And until next time, thanks guys.